Hello, lovely people of Volta and Mother Ghana. My name is Prosper Kojo Agbo.
I go by the name Bismarck Nomenyo.
Matildaja is my name.
We are Minamiwoe Borborbor Group. Minamiwoe Borborbor Group is located at Ziofe in the Agotime Ziofe district in the Volta region of Ghana. Ziofe is under the jurisdiction of the Ziofe Traditional Council, headed by Togbe Vizaze Ajaho V, the Apadada of Ziofe Traditional Council.
The people of Ziofe are predominantly farmers. We are into tomatoes farming, okra farming, and other vegetables. Like rich earth that nourishes life, this town has birthed and nurtured many of our finest minds and leaders, such as
Professor Albert Agbonito, Mr. William Sekle, Madam Grace Bina, Honorable Seth Adovlo, Assemblyman for Ziofe, Honorable Charles Agbeve, MP for Ziofe, among others, whose contributions have led to the community calm in spirit and in progress.
From a group of people defined by peace and clear purpose, the Minamiwoe Borborbor Group was birthed in the year 2024 with a starting membership of 20. What originally began as a joyful gathering for music and dance and communal support through a lot of hard work, good reputations, and numerous program attendance. We are over 70 members now under the leadership of
Mr. Wisdom Yomekpe, founder, Mr. Alufa Matthias, chairman, Mr. Gbogbo Maxwell, vice chairman, Mr. Felix Nomenyo, secretary, Mr. Lavoe Prosper, financial secretary, Mr. Agbo Prosper, PRO, Mr. Jefferson Avaga, organizer, Mr. Ahiakonu Joffrey, assisted by Matildaja as a treasurer.
the group's financial strength lies on monthly dues, booking fee, fund and donations, contribution and sponsorship. Funds generated through these means are used to support members, run the day-to-day activities of the groups, and also used for other community initiatives.
friends, families, well-wishers, chiefs and elders. We are contesting for the 2025 Borborbor Carnival. We are simply chasing goals and catching wins. In few years to come, we believe to be the best and outstanding Borborbor group in Ghana and beyond. But this is impossible without your vote and your support. Kindly vote for Minamiwoe Borborbor Group. Simply dial *920 *922 hash. Select option 14 to vote for us so that we can emerge the best winners in this competition.
Miatenu akwaji dudu le hopiplisi amela. Miele koko pomna mi be mi adakona mi to jesi ya oji. *920 *922 hash. Select option 14 to vote. Miape jidudua miasi ole.
Vote.
Win.
You vote.
We
We win.
Minamiwoe.
Newanyo.